So today I'm just going to be showing how I got a soft glam eye matching with this bold red lip. If you're interested, then you can keep on watching. So first I'm just starting off with my eyebrows, and I'm using Dip Brow from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And today is only going to be the eyes and the lips, just to show off the bold and the glam. So none of the other stuff is going to be here, but it will be listed in the description. And I'm just setting my brows now with the NYC Mega Length Mascara in black. So I'm priming my eyes with NYX HD Concealer, and the color will be listed below. So I'm just blending that out, and then I'm going to set it with some translucent powder. All these colors are going to be from the 350 palette, and I'm using a pukey green color. I'll put it up to go above my crease. So I'm just building that color up as best I can using windshield wiper motions, just sweeping back and forth. And then I'm using a smaller, more precise blending brush, and I'm going to put a orange color in my crease, so it's going right below that green color. And I took a little while to build up this color, so I'm doing the same thing on the other eye. I'm using a brush with no product on it at all, and that's going to serve as a blender for me to melt those two colors together to make them go. And on my lid, I'm using a bold but subtle shimmery orange red color. None of these colors have names, so I'm just trying to describe them as best I can. So I'm just going back with the pukey green and then the orange in my crease and above my crease, just so I can make sure that those colors weren't lost when I went to my lid. And I'm really building up that color on my lid, and I'm putting it all over from the inner and outer corner. And then I'm going to go back shortly with a dark brown, a muted, more undertoned brown color. It's really dark, it could almost be black, and I'm putting that only on my outer corner and right below my crease. So I'm just emphasizing my outer corner to give me that cat look. And now I'm just using NYX liquid eyeliner to give myself a wing liner. And I kind of mess up my wing liner, so I'm also going to show me fixing it. So to fix it, when you mess up on your eyeshadow, you just go back with the same color after the eyeliner dries over top of it, and it'll cover it right up. So now I'm just taking all those colors that I put on my lid, and I'm going to put it on my under eye, and I'm just using different brushes to do that. And I kept the brown on the outer corner, and then everything else went to the inner and outer corner, just so you can balance out the look. And then I went in with a brighter champagne-y color, just so I can open up my inner corner. So now for the lips, I'm taking a black lip liner because it's going to stop my red lip from bleeding. And I'm just blending that out. And now I'm taking Colourpop's Renmen from the EllerieXColourpop collection. It's a really nice candy red, and it looks really good on my complexion. If I would have just did the one coat, it would have been like this, but I built it up after the fact. So you're going to see me build it up afterwards, and I'm just cleaning it up with foundation where it did still bleed over, because it can be pretty messy. So I'm building up that color to get the really bold look, and that's pretty much it. I'm taking mascara, Too Faced Better Than Sex, and I'm building it up multiple times because I'm not going to do any lashes for this look. So I'm going to continuously build up that mascara so it can give me a falsies effect without having to do falsies. I'm just going ham, clearly. And then I'm just going back in with that mega length mascara, and I'm putting it on my lower lash line, and I got some on my face. So I'm basically just going to clean it up with my foundation brush after it dries. This is the finished look, and you get a glowy, very subtle eye but very glam at the same time. And then you get the bold lip, and thank you for watching.
Let me break my shoulders up. Shiny patent leather products looking like a bowling ball. Diamonds on my neck and wrist. Haters like he's showing off 'cause